No, you're not supposed to catch it. It's not part of the game. No. Okay. No, she's catching it.
Push her back a little so she
Push
can't.
her back.
Oh, she's being naughty.
Okay. There we go. That was a good one. Here. You want to do it?
No. I don't mind stepping on my life. That's so cute.
You was stepping on it. Come on.
Honey?
Holly. You're getting tired. Let go. I think you're gonna fall right off the bed. No. Ready? She's so tired.
You know, it's funny. I'm recording it so she's not on screen. And then her little... Oh, that was a good one. Her little body comes flying up.
Okay, come on. No.
Ooh, that was cute.
Come on. She's getting tired. Drop it. Ready? Let's give it a little rest. Okay. Ready? No, you can't catch
He
it.
keeps
You have to
spitting
hit
it. Oh. Oh,
That was
that's
a
so
good
good.
Now she's not gonna jump. She's like, no, it's gonna hit the ground.
Ah, let's on a videotape to see. Hello? Oh, there's a big ball in her face.